In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up data sharing rules in Zoho CRM using Google Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to using CRM platforms, understanding how to manage permissions efficiently is essential for maintaining a seamless and secure business operation. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser and head to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your credentials to log into your account. If you're not already a user, you'll need to create an account, but I'll assume you already have one for this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Zoho CRM dashboard, your central hub for managing customer relationships effectively. Next, let's navigate to the area where we'll be setting up the data sharing rules. Locate the setup icon, usually represented by a wrench or gear symbol, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, find the Security Controls section. Here, you'll discover a variety of options designed to help you safeguard your data and restrict access to sensitive information. Click on Data Sharing Rules, a powerful feature that allows you to define how data is shared among your team members or different departments within your organization. Now, it's time to create some new rules. These rules define who can view or edit different records within your CRM. You'll want to consider carefully the access levels each role or team within your organization should have. Click on the option to create new rules. The interface will guide you through the process, but it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your organization's hierarchy and workflow. Think about who genuinely needs access to what. Does the sales department need access to all customer contacts? Should the marketing team only have viewing privileges for specific data sets? This is where you define those boundaries. As you set up these rules, you'll need to apply them to relevant modules and roles within Zoho CRM. Modules might include leads, contacts, accounts, or deals, and roles being the various positions or teams within your company. Zoho CRM allows for granular control, giving you the ability to tailor data access to fit your organizational needs precisely. It's a good idea to map out who falls into which category before you begin applying the rules, ensuring you fully leverage this feature's potential. Once you've created and applied your rules, remember to save your configurations. Zoho CRM usually provides a confirmation that your settings have been saved successfully. Now, it's time for the crucial step of testing data access. After implementing these rules, it's always smart to simulate different user roles to see if everything works as expected. Try logging in as different roles to verify that each position only sees what it's supposed to. If adjustments are necessary, you can easily tweak the rules until you're satisfied. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage data access within Zoho CRM. By setting up tailored data sharing rules, you not only ensure security, but also streamline your team's workflow, allowing for greater productivity and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made your experience with Zoho CRM easier and more productive.